I am so excited to try this mason jarred sealer, and I actually have some rice, brown rice, that I need to seal because it wouldn't fit in the bag. So we've got the box, and we've got this beautiful, I really like the white color. Every other one I've seen is in black, but look at the white. So, oh, and it came with some lids. I found a lid in the drawer, but I was looking for one that would fit on my other jar because I was going to try. It came with lids, which is nice. And I'm going to try sealing. There's the lock, and it says here, electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Cleaner, made sure my lid is really clean. There's nothing on my jar. So I've got it set to the small opening. And I read the instructions. It said push down really tight. And let's give it another go. Okay. It says it's 83% charged, so hopefully this time it's sealed. Yay! It's sucked in. I think I just needed to have it charged more. So we're going to try. Oh, it did it anyways. Look at that. Totally sealed. Puffy. Marshmallows were filled up to about here, and now they're filling up. So I'm loving this.